What's up, everyone? It is your boy Ajusta. This used to be an old toll, like a tolling booth. We used to pay to drive to use the road. As you can see, it's been smashed out. There's a door open and whatnot. It's government owned, and there's some big aerials on it. I've been watching it for ages, but we'll check it out and see how we go. Yeah, let's do this. Grim. Wow. So weird. Doors fully. Have a look at that. Whoa. It's just under the stairs. Look at that. There's a door off into there. Gonna be a good one. Didn't bring my torch again. Fucking idiot I am. Wow. There's my car just over there where that car went past. It's crazy. You can fully go out there. There's my car. Oh, that's what was making that noise. Yeah, cool. Oh, shit. That is hectic. There's a fucking pram there, man. That's crazy. Have a look in this one first. I don't know, it looks like there might be power. There's that light on. So they're the stairs I come up. Even if you can see through that glass. Oh, that's what's blown. Oh, people do live here. It's sad, man. busting out the sweats today. Look at that. How bizarre. Can't believe I forgot my torch again. No excuse, Jussie. Oh, look up into the... That's crazy. Whoa. Spewing that there's graffiti on this, man. This is the graffiti I hate. Another veranda with wasps. I hope you guys can all see that. So we went into that room. That's there's a bed there, a pillow. Hate seeing that shit. Hate seeing homelessness. Welfare officer. Old school kitchen. So dark in here. Still got running water. Oh my god, I know you guys can't see that. Hang on, let me try and back. Cold. Oh my god, and hot. Welfare officer. Good boy. La! Toilet still has clean water in it. That's a first, man. Whoa, what the f***? There's full underground cabling and stuff in here. I know you guys can't really see. Don't really want to be... Oh, look. That's crazy. Whoa. There's nothing up there. Another room in here. That's nothing, it's all glassed off. That's the only door that's... Male toilets in there. That's these things. What the hell there? Control room. Whoa! Yeah, that's that big. Wow. Shit, all the spiders and shit everywhere. Look at that. If that's not cool, I don't know what is, guys. Oh, so there must have been TVs and heaps of stuff. This is a full government building, guys, so I gotta get some pictures, man. Wow. cars going past, living their lives, going to work. That just goes into that room where we just were. Yeah, living their lives, doing what they do. There's even cupboards under there. Oh, that's what's in them. Nothing but more wiring. Alright, that's the control room. That is, I hate to swear, but that's f***ing sick. Look at that, I need another picture. Alright. That was the kitchen. It sounds like there's a lot of movement up here, but it's just the wind hitting those blinds. It's crazy. It's sad, man, because someone probably lived in this thinking, yeah, no one will harass me, and then people have vandalised the place bad. Still got a bit more to explore. Big stairs, man. That's insane. What? Another kitchen. Oh. Microwave. Oh, that's crazy. Nothing. We know we got running water in this place. I don't think there's power. Lunchroom. More toilets. Oh. There's full power. To a garage thing there. It's just a place for a car, guys. Looks like there's a thing there. I wish I'd brought my torch. Look at this. Oh. Power wall. Locker room. Shower. Crazy, yo. Then there's this. Oh. Down there. Oh my god. Where did that go? Oh, that is creepy. Your boy ain't going down there. That's crazy. Can't believe there's power, but you saw how I did that. I'll do that again, look. Power off. Power back on. Whoa. That is quite freakish. God knows what goes in there. I'm not even gonna have a look. Wish I was with people. Come on guys, if you wanna if you do want to come with me on any expeditions, hit me up in the comments below or send me an email at exploring-with-ajusta@gmail.com. The link will be in the description. So you can come back with me and we can go and explore those underground tunnels together. Did you see that? That's crazy. I can't believe that, man. That fully goes down underground. Alright guys, let's go and get some pictures and some shots on the outside. That's it guys. Go and have a look around the other side. I can't believe that, man. If I had bigger balls, I would honest to God, sorry about the wind, I would honest to God, if I had bigger T-nuts, I would honest to God go down there, but I just always go by myself. See, they were the thingos, where the cars roll into, that little garage that I was telling you about. Look at that door, man. How weird is that? That door goes nowhere, does it? How bizarre is that? Weird. There you guys, you can see all the aerials on that. That was the big control room that we were just up in, where that big circular dome looking with the glass. I don't know what to say. I can't believe that's gone underground though. Like a full tunnel. I've got to come back. Someone's got to come with me, eh? I hate rolling solo. I mean, I love it. I love rolling solo with these places because you got to have balls to do it, man. Eh? You really do. But I just need, I just need someone, you know, someone there with this, mate. And I do all these hectic things. You guys got to hit me up in the comments below. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this one because I know I did. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Let's put it right up here this time. Damn, how's the wind for your boy trying to do his outro? Let's wait for the wind. Let's wait. Yeah, it's gone. No, it's not. It's Australia, and that's how it is because there's always wind everywhere I go, every destination I film. Anyway guys, like I said, please subscribe. Leave your love and your comments down below. Like this with a big thumbs up. And love you long time. Peace.
This is another DJ Ajusta beat. You are now listening to an STN production. This is another second to none.